Hello and welcome again as we consider yet another multiple choice question for IB Chemistry. What is the effect of increasing the temperature in this reaction? And here you have carbon dioxide gas being dissolved in water to form H plus ions and HCO3 negative ions. But the reaction proceeds with delta H less than 0. Delta H less than 0 means that this system is losing energy to the surroundings. So that's why the change in energy, delta H, the enthalpy change, it's less than 0. It means we have an exothermic process for the forward reaction. When you have an exothermic process, increasing the temperature, which is what we're doing here, is going to give more kinetic energy to molecules on this side, allowing them to very easily go over the barrier. But molecules on this side would benefit more because they would have just that little bit of extra energy to push them over the barrier, whereas here there's no added benefit because these molecules already had a short barrier to cross. So the point is that for an exothermic process, increasing the temperature favors the reverse reaction. It favors the endothermic reaction, which is reverse. So this equilibrium here of carbon dioxide being dissolved in water is going to be pushed in this direction. And as it's pushed in this direction, hydrogen ions here, which are in solution, would no longer be in solution. And that would have an effect on the pH, because pH is equal to the negative log to the base 10 of the molar hydrogen ion concentration. In other words, the more hydrogen ions that you have, the more acidic a solution is, the more H plus that you have. The number on the pH scale is very low. So for very high hydrogen ion concentrations like 0.1 plugged into here gives a pH of 1. 0.01 gives a pH of 2. So when you decrease the hydrogen ion concentration, the pH is actually going to increase. So the equilibrium is going to go this way and the pH is going to increase. The answer is going to be B. Obviously, it can't be A, which is the reverse of B. The carbon dioxide pressure will decrease. That does not apply because you're going to be getting more carbon dioxide gas molecules. That's going to increase the pressure. And the last choice here, the equilibrium position will shift to the right. And we've already discussed that this equilibrium is being shifted to the left because it's an exothermic process and we have an increase in temperature, leaving us with the answer of B.